Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson V8 vacuum and place it on a flat surface. Start by removing the battery. Locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press the button and slide the battery out. If you're unsure about handling this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, let's focus on the filters. The Dyson V8 has two filters, one located at the top of the motor and another at the back. To access the top filter, simply twist and pull it out. For the back filter, press the release button and pull it out gently. Now, it's time to clean the filters. Rinse them under cold water until the water runs clear. Avoid using any detergents or soaps, as this can damage the filters. Allow them to dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinserting them. If you find that your filters are too worn out, consider purchasing new ones. While you're at it, check the vacuum for any debris or blockages. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior components. If you don't have the tools or time for this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once the filters are dry, it's time to reinstall them. Simply slide the top filter back into place and press the back filter until it clicks securely. Now, let's move on to the battery. Align the battery with the slot and slide it back in until you hear a click. Before you start using your vacuum again, it's a good idea to check if everything is functioning properly. Turn on the vacuum and ensure that it runs smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our services are designed to make your life easier, with no calls and no travel required. Finally, remember to regularly check and clean your filters every month to maintain optimal performance. This simple maintenance can extend the life of your Dyson V8 and keep your home clean. Thank you for following this tutorial and enjoy your freshly serviced vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No house, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.